Guys, so this is the 4Moms MamaRoo 4, and I'm just going to do a quick unboxing for you guys to show you what comes in the box, and then I'm going to put it together off camera and then show you how it works and how it looks once it's all put together. So the box comes like this, and when you open it, this is how it is packaged. Comes with a manual. I'm guessing this is all of the warnings and instructions and the speed and how to use and how to put together. How to put it together is in the front, and then it has the control panel and just showing you the different motions, the volume, built-in speakers, MP3 plug-in. It just explains pretty much everything that the MamaRoo does. So you get that. You also get a little flyer talking about their accessories and just the how you can download the app. This is your charging cord, your power cord. That comes in this little spot right here. And then you have this piece that I'm guessing it goes on the top section. And then this is your little, I want to call this a mobile, but I don't know what they call it. But so you have 3 of them. One of them has a mirror. The other one is squishy, and then I believe you have a rattle. So this one is the rattle, this is the squishy one. And then you have one that is a mirror, has a mirror on it. And they actually have them where they come, one side is colors, so when your baby starts seeing colors, they can look at these. And then they also have the black and white ones for when your baby is in the stage where they only see black and white. So that's pretty neat. And I ordered the plush MamaRoo, so mine comes with a little thicker padding, and this is the multicolor. So once I put it all together, you guys will see how it looks once it's together, and I'll show you all the different functions and speeds and everything of it. But yeah, that's pretty much it. These are your little these are your other pieces, and then you have your little warranty paper that you fill out. So if they have a recall or whatever on it, you can register your MamaRoo with the one that you have. But yeah, so I'm gonna put it together, and I'll come back on camera and show you guys how it looks together and all the functions and speeds, and I'll try to play some music on it and just show you guys how it works. So stay tuned. So I forgot to show you guys the base that it comes in. So this is the base of the MamaRoo. I had to remove all of the styrofoam to get to it, but the base is at the very bottom of the box. So this is the base, and this is your control panel and everything. So I'm going to take it all out, put it together, and I'll show you guys how it looks together. Okay, so it's all put together, and it only took me probably maybe 8 minutes. I meant to time myself, but I forgot to do it. But it only took me 8 minutes to put it together, and about 8 minutes, under 10 minutes, I know for sure. But this is how it looks. I currently have it plugged up next to her crib. But I'm probably gonna, it's more than likely gonna be in the living room the entire time. But yeah, so this is what it looks like. This is the plush model, and I'll link everything below, where I got it from, how much I paid for it, and yeah, the model number and all that down below in the description box. But this is what it looks like. This is the 4Moms MamaRoo 4, and so you have your settings down here. This is your control panel right here. You can turn it on with the power button. They have different settings. This is, right now it's on car ride, so I'll show you that one. Now all you do is press the plus sign, and it'll show you the motion. So this is car ride. Let me back up a little bit so you can see it better. So that's car ride, and it has different speeds. You can actually change the speed on it, and to change the speed, all you do is press the plus sign, and it'll go slower or faster, depending on what you prefer. So this is a little bit faster than what it was going. And then to slow it down, you just press the minus sign and it'll slow it right back down. So then the next mode that it has, next setting is Kangaroo. And this is Kangaroo. And to make it go faster, once again, you just press the plus sign and it'll speed up. Then the next setting it has is Tree Swing. And we're going to slow it down so you can kind of see it better. So this is Tree Swing. Next one is Rockabye. This is Rockabye. And then last but not least, it is Wave. So this is Wave. So they're fairly different. Different motions. And then it shows you right here, I don't know if you guys can see that or not, what level you're on. So I'm on 3. I can take it down to 2 and it goes all the way down to 1, and when you put it on 0 it stops completely. So we're gonna put it back on, we're gonna put it on 2. Okay, so then next you have your music. So this swing also plays music itself, and or you can hook up your iPhone, iPad, what is the other thing, iPhone, iPad, any like MP3 you can plug up to this right here. Or you can, it also has a built-in Bluetooth, so you can Bluetooth your phone or MP3 device to this, and it will play the music through these speakers right here. So it has 2 speakers right there. Okay, so the music, the sounds that come on here, I think it's like a couple different sounds. I don't really know what's what because I can't really make out what it is, but I'll turn it up so you guys can hear it. That sounds like rain to me. I could be wrong. So there are different sounds. I think they have an ocean one and a heartbeat. So that's heartbeat. But yeah, they're different sounds. And then to cut it off, you just press the music button, or you can just turn it all the way down to where you don't hear anything. But yeah, this cord comes with it, so it does come with a aux cord for you to plug in. It's kind of short, so I would purchase a longer one if you kind of want to have your phone charging or whatever device you're using charging while you're playing music on it so it doesn't die. But yeah, this is a swing, guys. And also, I don't know if I mentioned this or not, it has little snaps for you to snap the baby in. So you just hook these. Sorry guys, I'm working with one hand here. You just snap these in. I probably need to adjust this because she's not going to be this big. And then baby sits up there. But you just adjust it to whatever size your baby is. And then also, these are the little mobile pieces. I need to trade this one out. But they literally just, they pop right out. So you can just see how I did that just now. They pop out and you can just turn them whichever way you want them to be. Right now, when she comes, she's only going to be seeing black and white. So I'm going to keep it on the black and white for right now. But yeah, that's how it looks, guys. So yeah, this is the MamaRoo, 4Moms MamaRoo 4. This is the plush model. I got it off of Amazon. They still sell it. I actually got it on sale. I really lucked up and got a good price on this. And also, if you complete your registry on Amazon, they give you a 15% off completion discount that you can use towards the MamaRoo on top of whatever other discount they have for it. So yeah, this is the MamaRoo. So thank you guys so much for watching. You can comment down below if you have any questions about the MamaRoo or you want to see more videos about baby products. I'm slowly but surely buying little teeny gadgets here and there. I'm also going to do a room tour of her nursery / my bedroom because we're sharing for right now. But I will post that as soon as I get done filming it. So thank you guys so much for watching.